friends. So this is real talk. I'm about to travel, and where I'm going, I'm gonna be taking. You want to be in my video?
Oh.
Come over here and say hi. It's my friend Deb. I'm gonna be doing. Just wave. Look how pretty she is. I'm gonna be doing a photo shoot there, and also, side note, I have to. Well, I get to go get a new passport. And, you know, when you are going to take a picture for something, if you didn't like the one before, you get to change it out. It's really kind of a gift, celebration. That's kind of like a, you know, when something's shiny, like silver lining. There you go. Okay. So, I put some highlights in my hair the other day because, time and getting somewhere is not always the total ease, and I happen to have this skill set. So, okay. So I was like happy with the lightness that I got up here, but I was like, there could be more, but maybe just like a face framing situation. I don't know. Like, do you see what I'm saying? Like through here. So I figured I would just pop in and show you. Don't try this at home or totally do. It's going to be on you. But I'm literally in my robe. I don't even have a bra on, but don't tell anybody. And I'm going to just do a little thing here around my face. So if you can see, I already have some like lightened-ish ends. And I just want to bring them up a little bit. And before I had done it on a diagonal, and now I'm going to come in horizontal. But look at my fancy handy-dandy little comb here. It's got little pieces in the middle pieces. Makes no sense. But this is a really easy way to highlight your own hair and not make like a bigger problem for yourself. So you back comb, which is kind of like when you see stylists like weave, where they pick up the hair and then they weave little pieces out. This does the same effect, but in more of like a kind of subtle, muted, ombre-y way. So I have my section, it's all separated. And this is where it gets cute. And this is where, if you know, you have a kid or somebody or a person at home that loves you, insert Deb, who's standing right there. They can come help you. But then it would be like, why aren't you just having them do your hair? So we're just going to do it by ourselves so that we can prove that we can. Just kidding. Proving is not valuable. Anywhere you're trying to prove that you're valuable, stop it. It's not worth your time, because you'll always find someone who won't find you valuable, and they'll just keep you on like the you know, like the hamster wheel of life, where you just keep finding yourselves in the same positions with the same energies. Proving's one of those energies, because it'll always not be enough for somebody. Okay, so now I have my so here, look. I'm gonna actually take it on a diagonal, because imagine like face framing. So I'm gonna gently, also trick. Up and down when you're up here, and you can be as messy and flat down here as long as you're saturating. So I'm gonna go up and down here, so like it's like that's the blend spot. And then I'm gonna go thick and flat and saturated thickness. I feel like that's like a nickname for me, saturated thickness. Oh God, don't go visual. Anyways, okay. So I'm just gonna like, but keeping, you see how it's, maybe don't. It's like this way, right? End result coming, I promise. Okay. Ooh, yes. Ooh. So good. Okay, see, holding it with my two hands, got it. Now, if I were one of those assholes, I would just be like, and then you do the same on the other side, because you wouldn't have to see me struggle using the other hands. But I'm not gonna do that to you. I'm gonna show you my struggle, because it's real. Okay, so fold up half again, flatten, fold, face framing foil. Okay. And just because I'm overzealous and I'm an overachiever, yeah, I'm gonna take this hole in front of my ear section, back home, until you see the amount that you want out, which is like this. This is what I wanted. It was on purpose. Okay. Oh, No, I like to peel out, although it doesn't matter. But so this time I'm just gonna like pinch the top of my foil because I'm only lightening my ends. See how this goes? And then again, using my face as the backboard for the beauty I'm creating. I have had like a husband, a friend, a neighbor, or a child come and just put their hand under here. But again, keeping it real, kids. Keeping it real. Fold, 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 fold. All right, so now here comes the real truth. I should have put a bra on for this. All right, so here's my part line, and here's the deal. Like, if you're doing any sort of like highlighter or anything, if you don't, even if you're like in a salon, if they don't put it on the very top part, then you never see roots. It's pretty brilliant, but a lot of people are like, no, I want to see when I need to go to the hairstylist, otherwise I'll forget. I don't know. So I'm gonna like slice off, not shave off, because that would be a weird connotation in a hair video. Slice that off. And then I think I'm gonna like take another triangle. Don't be scared, guys. Just because the hairstylist is saying I think it's gonna be okay. But if your hairstylist is doing your hair and says, I think, you might want to ask a question. Just kidding. Okay. Kidding, not kidding. So I'm gonna do the same thing, pushing back these hairs, and you see what happens? You look hot. That's what happens. Okay. Pushing back, pushing back, pushing back. And then I'm like, it's as if it's the same hair. You see how light that is already? Because that's the hair that I did last time. And I'm good to go, I think. I know, bitches, I know. Okay, so here's where it gets funny. How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna do it. Oh, see, I could, God, so fucking smart. Okay, that was for me. You're smart too, but that one was for me. Okay, again, on this triangle, but this time I'm gonna switch to the other side and make a V. Okay, do you see my V? That's like V. So what I did, I just realized I'm shooting this vertically. I guess this is going up on IG. Okay. And down we go. If you want it, when you go down, you want to be smooth and apply a good amount of pressure. Because, you don't want to be sloppy when you go down. Okay. Again, so that you don't, here's the thing, because I did it, but then I didn't tell you why, and some people need to know why before they can choose. Okay, so I'm folding the ends on themselves, and then again, because look what happens if I just went and folded it to the top. I would take all this product and put it on the hair I do not want product on, guys. Okay, so fold once, no product here. Now it can go on top, fold again. Smash it to your cute little head and then fold and fold. Done and doner. Okay. This is like freshly woken up hair, so my apology. Ow. It's a blooper. Take that out. Okay. I'm just kidding. My whole life is bloopers. So we won't be taking out any bloopers. All right. So again, this section that I did over there, remember I got a little bit crazy and I just was like, we're going to do the whole fucking section. Bleep. The whole bleep section. Yep. I think I should always have a live audience for every video because your giggles in the background are contributory.
It might be.
It's fun. Okay. You're hired. Okay. Do I have bleach in my eye? Body, do I have bleach in my eye? No. Okay. No bleach in my eye. I know what that is. Okay. I put that, you know what I'm talking about? Like that muscle rub And I think it's still in my hands. It's not bleach. See, just ask my body. My body was like, no, girl, you did something else stupid. Okay, just kidding. My body would never call me stupid. My body loves me. Okay, so using your beautiful face, I'm just gonna go on the ends. And then again, kind of with the V. Again, remembering, guys, straight in, up and down when you are up closer to the head. Okay, you can get all sloppy and sexy at the bottom. Up here, we need to be a little bit more refined. Like a little bit more business at the top. And then party, sexy time at the bottom. Although you could be sexy anytime. So not all my analogies apply to all areas of your life. All right, kids. This is the quick highlight your own hair so you look more awake tutorial. And then we're gonna flip again, flip halvesies oversies. And again, halvesies oversies, which I think is not halvesies, it's thirds, but it's fine. Didn't profess to be a math major. And then foldies. And then you wait. And you admire your beauty in the mirror. And then you come back and show your friends how great it looks later. And maybe in the meantime, you go put on a bra. Or maybe not. Thanks for playing. Mwah! What possibility are you to beauty and the world when you be you? Talk to you later. Bye. Look at that face frame highlight though. Hey. All right. So I didn't want to run out on you and not show you the end result. Here we have it. These are the highlights that we put in this morning. I didn't even need to tone it. Is my face framed? Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for the gift that you be in the world. Now go create some beauty. Mwah! Bye.